Hey everybody, before we start today's video, I'm super excited to let you know we're giving away all December and the rest of November a Buzz Cooks kitchen towel. So all you got to do to win this towel is leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and randomly every video we will pick the winner, contact you, and send it out to you. All right, good luck to you and hope you win this towel. It's awesome. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, the holidays are here. You know what that means? You're gonna have a house full of people. The kids are probably coming back from school. You got relatives coming to visit. So you gotta cook breakfast for everybody. Well, here's a simple breakfast sandwich that you can cook in one pan for everybody. Knock it all out. All of them can eat at the same time. We're doing it next. Holiday breakfast sandwiches made easy. Stick around.
Folks, Merry Christmas.
All right, let's get started on this one pan breakfast for the holidays. We've already cooked one package of bacon, so that's on the side. We're waiting for us until we need it. We got our cast iron out, and we've got a package of Pillsbury Grand's biscuits. So we're gonna spray the pan with some Pam. Then we're gonna place our biscuits inside the cast iron. And we're gonna cook as directed on the package, right in the oven. Except we're gonna pull it out 1 minute earlier than what the package says. All right, now we'll let that cool so we can touch it. Don't wanna start messing with those when they're that hot. So, let's take 6 eggs, put them in a bowl, and we're gonna whisk these eggs up real good. And I kinda lied, it's not one pan because we're gonna use a separate pan to scramble these eggs. But the sandwiches are all done in one pan, so it is one pan, I guess. Anyways, so we're gonna throw a little pat of butter in our non-stick skillet. Got the heat on medium-high. And we're gonna add our eggs and just scramble those up. And while I'm scrambling those eggs, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. Tell your friends and family all about us. I appreciate y'all very much. So we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to those eggs. And once they're done, we're going to set those aside until it's time to assemble our breakfast sandwiches. So our cast iron has cooled down enough that we can actually take the biscuits out, cut them in half, and start to load them up. And what I mean by that is we're going to go with some scrambled egg, and we're going to go with a slice of bacon on each one. Then some shredded cheddar cheese. And we'll put the tops back on. And we'll continue finishing up the rest of these biscuits. Then we're going to take the leftover cheddar cheese that we have and put that right over the top. Just like that. So we're going to pop this back into the oven for about 4 to 6 minutes, or until you see the cheese has completely melted over the sandwiches. Then we'll pull it out and serve. And you've got the whole family and friends fed on Christmas morning or whatever with one easy pan dish. All right, make this, enjoy it, and have a great holidays. We'll see you later.